Hi, Franklin Pillsbury with MarineMax here in Ft.Myers. Very excited about bringing you today this 46-foot Sea Ray. If you look at the specs, it measures 51 foot overall length by today's numbers. It's a huge boat. Got a hydraulic swim platform here on the transom so that you can carry your tender. As we walk up here in the cockpit, you're going to notice this full beam boat, how wide and how massive this area is in the back. The owner's done some great upgrades on this boat, one of which is back here. The aft lounge area has been removed, so a couple of deck chairs can go back here. The movable table can go anywhere in the boat. Also notice the additional shade that we have here with this top. Also got a full enclosure for storage. Boat's been kept on a lift. It's very, very nice. Big lounge area here, sink and wet bar along the side here on the port. And as you come up to the helm, super nicely appointed with an upgraded Garmin chart plotter here, radar, all the electronics that you need. You can jump on this boat and very easily make a trip down to the Florida Keys or over to the Bahamas. Got autopilot also. As we walk down in the cabin, another upgrade that the owner has made is that the steps as you walk down in here from Sea Ray is 3 steps. This one is 4 steps, so it's easier to get down and to enjoy the boat. And then also, as we go back here in the rear stateroom, you're going to notice we've got 6, almost 7 foot of head clearance here in this rear stateroom, as well as a sliding door that closes this off. Full head that can be used as a day head, or it's got a shower and can be used as the second head for your guest back here. Normally, again, this has a lounge area in here. The owner has put in a nice bed with super storage underneath. Also gives you extra room back in here for the washer-dryer combo storage, and there's now extra storage under the steps over here as well. And of course, one of the nice things on this 46 is the wide stateroom or the wide salon area in here. This will pull out and make another double bunk. The table is a weighted base, so you can put it up and down for a coffee table or dining table, as well as these coming out for you to sit on. As we go forward, private stateroom. Nice big bed here in the bow area, as well as a hatch, windows for light as well. Bed is a full queen size bed. It's an expanded mattress, so it's very, very comfortable. Large closet areas on each side. Vanity on the starboard side. And we've got a dual entrance for the head shower so that you can keep it private and enter it from this side. Or, once again, for day use, you can operate and handle it through the salon area. The refrigerator has been replaced and is new. All the components in the galley are in great working condition. Coffee pot, cooktop, as well as great storage in this big galley area. Look at all the space you have. One of the beauties of the door being kind of centered is that as you're going to the back of the boat, you've got full access, carrying food out or bringing people down to the cabin. And one of the things I really love on this boat, let's go up towards the bow, is look at how nice and wide this walkway is on this boat. And of course we do have the sun pads up here on the front. These are nice Sunbrella sun pads. Boat has a hard top, beautiful stainless steel capped windshield. Boat is waxed twice a year. Maintained here on the lift. All the engines have been serviced January of this year, 2018. Give me a call and check out this 46. It is not going to last long. You can be cruising to the Keys or the Bahamas very, very quickly.